I got another tunnel coming up. Listen, y'all, I got another tunnel coming up. It was only one on the way here. I'm about to wake the birds up. Y'all, today is Monday, the day after I got back from St. Louis. Listen, y'all, after I got back from St. Louis, it was around 5 in the morning. Well, 5 in St. Louis, but 6 o'clock in North Carolina because it's an hour difference. I got home, took a bath, went to bed. I got up around maybe 2 or 1, I think, because that's the time I usually lay down. I get off of work in the morning at 7. I usually sleep from about 7 to 8 till about 1 or 2, so my body was used to waking up at that time. Listen, y'all, when I woke up, I felt the whole weekend hit me. Like, I felt sickness. My body was sore because I was on go that whole weekend because I was there for, you know, straight work business. There, get my content and head back. As y'all know, I did all the driving by myself, so it's like whenever I got up, everything hit me all at once. I had vacation for that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night. You know, I wasn't supposed to go back to work that Sunday, but I kind of fought over my sickness. Like, I don't like to be sick. It's like I know how to do those, you know, grandma remedies to get over your sickness. So I just rested a little bit, you know, kept my body hydrated. So around maybe about 6 o'clock, I was like, I might as well start editing the video. I got a lot of content to make. By 9 o'clock, I already had my video edited. So it was like, what else I'm gonna do? Might as well go to work. So I went to work that night. Also, you know, I drove those whole 12 hours that way back, and also I went to work. I love the work, but I don't love the work. I love the grind, and also I love making my money. But I'm making this video to end off the Gap Fest event. I want to thank everybody that I met, everybody that I linked up with. If you spoke to me and I didn't speak back, listen, that was nothing personal. It was so much going on, and plus I was so tired. So if you spoke to me, listen, I'm sorry I didn't speak back. Just say something in the comment section, and I'll try to, you know, pin you out and give you a shout out in the next video. Also, if you ask for a picture, everybody that asked me for a picture, I took a picture with you, and I don't really like doing that because I'm not used to people saying, hey, let me take a picture with you. I'm not used to that here. But up there at the Gap Fest, the YouTuber event, it's like everybody had a camera and a phone in their hand, so it was normal to, you know, have the phones out and the cameras out on each other. You know, I wasn't used to that. I'm just used to me being the only person walking up putting cameras in other people's face. So when people was walking up putting the camera in my face, it's like, now I see how some of y'all feel. But the whole event was great vibes. I love everybody's vibes. I met so many people that I watched, and it's like so many people that I watched, I didn't even know that they watched me. I don't want to go in and give it out no shout outs because I know that I'm going to end up missing some people's name, and I don't want nobody to feel no kind of way. So listen, if we linked up and we rolled together, then you know exactly who you are. Most of you are in the videos. I try to put as much of everything in each video that I could. Y'all, I recorded so much because I wanted to get the most that I could get out of taking the trip all the way there. That whole 800 mile there, 800 something mile back. Listen, woo, it got rough. It was pretty easy on the way there, but it was like every time I would finish something that say, okay, keep straight 170 something miles, okay? Boom, when I get done with that, the GPS will hit me with keep straight for 200 more miles, and it's like I was never getting there. It's like the closer I would get there, the longer it would take. There, the last 2 hours took the longest. And on the way back home, the last 2 hours took the longest. It's like, I'm right here. What's going on? But anyway, that was a fun adventure for me. Would I do it again? Me thinking right now, I don't think I would do it again, especially not driving by myself. Maybe I would do it again if I was to stay at least a week, because I only stayed one night. Went to the Saturday event. As soon as I left that event, I got straight on the road. So maybe if I was to stay more days, I would. But you know, this was my goal for this year, and you know, stepping out, branching out, socializing with other people, just linking up with other people in different cities. I might be going to Miami. So by the time y'all see this video, if I do go to Miami, then I done been to Miami. But like I said, if you want to link up and make a video, make some content, hit me up in my DMs. I done got a couple people that's been hitting me up. Y'all got to keep in mind, I work a third shift job, and we work every day. I've been using some of my vacation time, and that's about over with. And it's like, I don't want some of y'all to come down here from far away, and it's like I can only give y'all just a certain amount of time because my schedule is like But yeah, like I said, if you want to link up and collab, hit me up in my DMs. I try my best to respond. Like I said, I try my best to respond. With my Instagram account, it's 3 different inboxes. You got a request inbox, you got a general, you got a primary. So it's like all of y'all stuff don't go to the same inbox. So I don't get everybody's stuff at the same time as other people's stuff. But I do try to go through and read as many as I can. But to move on to something else, I got a lot of new things coming forward to the car. I'm going to change up the inside a little bit. I think I got the color that I'm going to go with. I still got to order my wheel nuts. When I was going to order them, they was out of stock. They still out of stock. So I'm going to keep my eye on that. I'm going to add some more little features here and there on the outside. But really, I'm about to start focusing on the inside and just continue this look. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video. Well, you should have already liked this video. Drop your emoji color and all that already, because the video is over with. You know, and come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. As y'all can see, I got on that, I think you call it Carolina blue, stop playing with slime shirt. It is on my website. Y'all go to my website, slimepack.store, and get y'all some merch. And also, if you have merch, let me know. I'll buy it and I'll wear it on my channel to support you. And hopefully, if you got a channel, you will do the same thing for me. And once again, thank you to everyone that watched my videos, that liked my videos, that dislike my videos. Oh, one thing. I hate when people come in the comment section just to leave something negative. Apparently, you don't watch the video just to leave a negative comment. If you don't like something on the video, why sit there and watch it? Nobody is begging you to watch my channel. So, when people leave negative stuff, sometimes I will participate in it and say something smart back because that's me. But I got to learn to delete it and block it because I don't like negativity. If you don't like something, you don't have to be here. You don't have to be on my channel. But I appreciate everybody that leaves positive stuff, everybody that give me advice in a positive way, not in a hurtful or meaningful way. And hopefully I do the same, and I try to do the same with everyone else. I try to give out the same amount of energy that I want. But like I said, this video is over with. Thank you to everyone.